It is easy to load media into the T400. The printer uses media with a minimum 1 inch or a maximum 4.5 inch label on a 1 inch core. Its versatile design allows you to use up to a 5 inch diameter roll of media and can sense gap, black mark, continuous, die cut, and fan fold media. Open the lid by lifting the blue levers located on each side of the printer and raising the cover. There is a label on the inside of the lid that illustrates the correct orientation for the media. This happens to be a 5 inch roll of media with 1 inch labels. Using your thumb, separate the media holder and place the media inside. The media brackets are spring-loaded and will automatically center justify. Pull the media to the edge and close the cover. Just press the button on top of the printer to feed a label and you're ready to start printing. To load fanfold media, open the media cover. Place the media behind the printer and load the media through the back. Pull the media over the holder and adjust the holder to the width of the labels. Push down on the media lock to secure it's in a stationary position. You should be able to easily slide the media back and forth. Once the lock is set in place, lower the fanfold media into the bottom of the printer and pull towards the front. Close the lid and press the form feed button to make sure it feeds correctly. If you ever have difficulty adjusting the bracket, don't force the brackets, but double check to be sure the media lever is not in the locked position. Release the lock and it should adjust easily. It is also a good idea to clean the printhead and platen roller whenever you change the media. We recommend using genuine Printronix Auto ID cleaning supplies and media. Using the cleaning pen, swipe the pen back and forth across the printhead, paying special attention to the elements, the brown stripe located within the green area. Cleaning the platen roller is easier if you remove the front cover first. Then, using a clean wipe, gently rub it across the platen roller while turning the roller. Be sure not to rub the wipe over the sensor as it could damage the sensor. Replace the front cover. Then, using a soft brush, you can remove any dust that has accumulated on the sensors. Keeping your printer clean will improve print quality and longevity.